Hey everyone, I am Joanna Peterson and I'm coming to you from the Tupper studio. I'm super excited to be here. Today I'm going to be making a one-pot penne in our pressure cooker. This is a crock pot for your microwave. It's one of those things that makes it fast and easy to cook a meal all at once. So here, we're just gonna open this up. There's a couple of different features here. You've got your latch here, not a handle, it's a latch. And then you're going to spin it so that your triangles, there's triangles here, those line up. It's got a seal on the inside. And then just like any other pressure cooker, you've got your little piece here that when it's lifted, it's pressurized. So a couple of things here. What we're gonna do is we're actually gonna start with our onions and garlic, and we're gonna put those in our Power Chef. Power Chef is super cool. It's one of those really versatile things where you've got a whipper here. We've used that for making cakes, pancakes, super easy. Just a couple of pulls on that lid. The lid here, you don't need electricity for it. You just pull on the cord and that'll get everything going. We've got our blade here, super sharp, so it's in a little sleeve, and you're gonna put that in, and each pull is about 12 cuts. So we're gonna put our onion in here, and that is one full onion, just quartered it, just so it'll fit, and then one clove of garlic. So that, super fast, super easy. On top here, also in their Power Chef, there's a little silicone piece that you can pull back and put a funnel in, so if you have any liquids that have to go in there as well, that's an option. And when you have it turned to the side, it actually seals it because there's little measuring pieces in there, so that until you're ready for it to go in, you are gonna have it to the side, and then when you turn it, it just siphons in. So you can do your measuring in that funnel. So with the pressure cooker, there's a minimum and a maximum in there. You wanna make sure that that minimum is covered, and you need some sort of liquid in order to make sure that it's not gonna blow up on you. So we've got our ground beef. We're just gonna stick that in there. Now we're gonna put our pasta in, and you're just gonna do one regular sized box of penne. And just dump it in. And we've got beef broth. And I'm not much of a measurer, so I've got my Italian herb seasoning. Put about a teaspoon, teaspoon and a half in there, just a little sprinkle. And a full jar of your favorite marinara sauce. Mine, I like my 4 cheese. So, I'm gonna give it a quick stir up, just to make sure that everything's covered. Fast, super easy. Line up my triangles here. And it's gonna take about 5 minutes to depressurize after that. So I will meet you back here after that. All right, we are back, and we took our pressure cooker out of the microwave. Pressure is high. You can see that little yellow piece is up. We're gonna let that settle and release the pressure, and then we'll be back to taste it. We have waited for it to depressurize. Looks good. This piece is all the way down, and we're just going to unlatch it here and spin her open. I would recommend that you open it away from your face, because that steam is going to be hot. You can see here, it all looks done, looks good. And we're gonna give it a little taste test. So like I said, it's all in one. Cook it all together. It looks really good. And we're gonna give it a little nibble. It's gonna be hot though. Easy, fast, and you're good to go. Enjoy.